Hello guys! So today I'm going to share with you something really special. It's about my expat life in Chennai, what I've been doing and things I was never expected to do. For those who don't know where is Chennai, so it's located in the southern part of India on the east coast and is also the capital of the Tamil Nadu state. First of all, I need to recap you a bit like why and how I ended up in India, because it was really not at all expected, especially for this period of time during COVID times. It's really hard to travel and you need a specific visa to enter India, as all the tourist visa are cancelled nowadays. So my family is actually living here since 2018, so this is how I was able to come and join them for the Christmas holidays. I was supposed to stay in the beginning 3 weeks, but unfortunately when I was boarding on the plane I received an email from my university, because yes, I'm still a student, and the email was saying all my classes are online, so I'm not going in Chennai for 3 weeks as expected, but for actually 5 months. And here I am. So this is why I end up in Chennai for this period of time. Here we are in Materas, where I spend actually most of my time in India, behind my wonderful computer, doing and attending classes, because yes, I'm still a student, so I had to work a lot. I had to do some essays, writing academical articles, doing some research, presentation, and so on. But I think you all know about the student life, so I don't need to extend a bit myself on it. I was really lucky because I had this beautiful sea view, so it was really nice and relaxing to work here and also on all my other and various projects. And you know, there is a bit this slogan when we are in university is like work hard but also play hard. So now I will take you to the nicest part of my stay. Normally, when you arrive in a new place, a new country, or a new city, you always like to go out in order to discover a bit what to expect when you're in the street, meet the people, meet the culture, and also like see a bit like where to shop and basically just know a bit the place and the area and the surroundings. So this is what I've been doing in the first part of my stay. You should be aware that in Chennai there isn't much to visit. I went to stroll in Kanaginagar slum to admire street art. I remember my driver being afraid of this place, but I never felt insecure when I was there. On the inverse, people were really kind to me. Another amazing thing to try is to have an auto rickshaw ride in the city. It's among the top things to do in Chennai. I also visited the neighborhood of Besant Nagar, which is really nice to roam around. The Sri Ashtalakshmi temple is a must-stop in this neighborhood. You can go on top of the temple nearby the ornaments to admire a wonderful view of Elliott's Beach. In Chennai, the beach is a place where families and couples love to hang out. You will see playgrounds, carousels, many sellers that are selling sugarcane juice, potato chips, and ice cream, and so on. Not that many people swim because most of them don't know how, but also because of the strong current. The most vivid and popular sightseeing beach in Chennai is Marina Beach, the largest beach in India. Nearby this beach you will find the lighthouse, many statues of India's personalities, Chennai's selfie point, and one of my personal favorites, the Madras University. Don't forget to explore the neighborhood of Triplikan nearby the Adinath Jain Temple and the Zambazar Market to experience the crazy, bustling city of Chennai. Paris Corner is also a must-do if you are in town. Once you're a bit settled in the country and after enjoying and trying to see a bit what is around, you arrive to the second phase where you try really to adapt yourself to it and also try to find your daily routine that fits you. So I was studying most of my time, but I had of course some spare time and I love to discover, do some sports. So this is all the funny things and activities, and even some that I was not at all thinking that they were existed here in Chennai. So I will take you to this fun part. First, we had to feed ourselves, which means we went for grocery shopping. We tried to make a detour by some grocery store each time we were going out. Indeed, it is hard to find everything in one place. You should go to various stores that are spread all over the city. Otherwise, back home, we used to chill by our wonderful rooftop pool. Every Monday morning, I had yoga classes with other expats. It was super nice because we were a small group, and also I felt so relaxed after those classes. On Tuesday afternoon, we were playing mahjong with other expats. So during actually my expat time in Chennai, we had a small habit with my dad is to go cycling every Saturday morning. What I appreciated the most when we were cycling is to witness Chennai's countryside life. We saw rice fields, farmers harvesting their crops, cows eating not only plastic or out of trash, temples in construction, and so on. Each time we were going out, we made a coconut stop. Coco stop, 30 rupee the coconut, really good. Around Chennai, we discovered an incredible place. A few years ago, in Tamil Nadu, the granites industry was flourishing. Unfortunately, the industry has come to a standstill, and with the rainy season, the mines were filled up with crystal water, creating magical natural swimming pools. Let me introduce you to one of the beautiful quarries. Actually, I found out about the quarry while doing my PADI open water, an activity I did not think possible here. I passed my exam with the Ocean Delight team. They were amazing, they were kind and professional and answered all the questions I had. I also enjoyed discovering Chennai's underwater world and observed the critical state of our oceans. Chennai is next to the sea, so you can practice many water sports activity, which I did. I surfed, paddle, and kayak. These activities are developing since a few years in Kovalam. I love to hang out over there with my friends, and you will meet super cool locals. And here we are, rowing across the ocean, and we managed to catch the plastic. So it's actually a plastic of where inside is containing curd. So curd is Indian yogurts, kind of yogurt that they eat to kill the fire in you when you eat a really spicy curry. Anyway, so we catch it in the water. Unfortunately, the ocean is full of plastic. This is a harsh reality not only in Chennai but also at a worldwide scale. I also traveled to various parts of the country to discover India's wonders. I went with my friends or my family. We visited beautiful buildings, some famous sightseeing spots, and other more secrets. All in all, it was a wonderful experience. Nowadays, I can understand better why people say incredible India. As you can see, I truly enjoy my stay here in India and more precisely in Chennai. So this was just really an overview of what I've been doing, and I try to make more precise video on certain topics you just see. in order to give you more insight about like specific activities that you can do if one day you're visiting maybe Chennai. Otherwise, stay tuned for any upcoming video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave maybe a small comment if maybe you also travel to Chennai or live here and have some other activities you would like to share with us. And otherwise, I will see you here in a few weeks, and in the meanwhile, don't forget to explore your surroundings. Allez, des bisous! Bisous bisous!